Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. Remove the pre-installed connector by rotating the connector 180 degrees. Push down on the connector until it releases from the rivet pin, then slide it out. Flip the connector and align with the installation hole. Gently apply pressure until it snaps in place. Slide the blade onto the arm until you hear a click. Place the arm gently back on the windshield and remove the towel. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage. It is always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles after installing your blades to ensure they are working properly. Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. Press up on the connector and slide the blade away from the arm.